Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Honor 7C, and I'm gonna show you how to copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. First we need to open the Contacts app. To do it, tap on this icon right here. In Contacts, let's tap on More. Import/export, selected. Then tap on Import from SIM. And here we have a list of contacts on our SIM card. We can select the ones we want to copy. For example, let's select this one, and this one. Then tap checkmark to confirm. You can also tap on Select All if you want to select all of them to make it quicker. But once you're done, tap on checkmark to confirm. Select where you want to copy the contacts. I'm gonna copy them to phone. Then go back to our contact list. And as you can see, here we have our contacts. And that's how you copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.